Today, we are unboxing the FiiO Q5 Flagship DAC and Amp. The Q5 has dual AK4490EN DACs capable of decoding up to 384 kHz 24-bit audio, is high-res certified, and supports a wide range of inputs. As well as the Q5 itself, inside the box we find a quick start guide, warranty information, a 3.5mm audio cable, a lightning to micro USB cable, a micro USB cable, a coax adapter cable, an optical adapter, silicone stacking bands, silicone stacking pads and spare screws, a screwdriver for swapping between amp modules, and a cloth carrying pouch. On the bottom of the Q5 there are balanced and unbalanced headphone outputs and a USB port. On the right, the power button and volume wheel. On the top, gain and bass boost switches, a multifunctional optical, coax and line input, and a line out port. On the right, there are multifunctional buttons, used as either playback controls, Bluetooth pairing functionality, or for cycling through the options for the multifunctional input on the top of the player. There is also a USB charging port. The power button lights up when switched on. There is also an LED just above the front of the amp module that changes colour depending on which input is selected. The Q5 supports interchangeable amp modules, allowing the user to further personalise their sound. The Q5 comes with the AM3A amp module included and supports all other amp modules from the X7 range. The leather back of the Q5 helps to prevent the DAC from moving around when stacked. And that was our unboxing of the FiiO Q5, available to order now from advanced MP3 players.